morning and welcome to the VSA Morning Miner. It's Monday the 30th of June and back with Paul Rankin. Paul, how are you today?
Good morning. Good morning. It's going to be a hot one, I think, and really busy on the markets too.
Yes, a lot of news flow to cover this morning. We'll start with the new resource published by Chilwa Minerals.
Yes, that's right. They did put out a new MRE, mineral resource estimate there for its uh, exploration work they're doing there in Malawi. Specifically, the new MRE is now up to 110 million tons for an increase in volume of 85%. And it's just over 4% total heavy minerals, with 71% of the resource in the indicated category. Now, they will put out yet another MRE probably before the end of the year, I would guess, because they have a lot of assays still outstanding and the drill keeps turning. One of the important things is the resource includes rutile for the first time. And also, the ilmenite grade, at least from this MRE, is higher than it was before, not quite by 10% higher to 3.23%. So, definitely headed in the right direction here on this Chilwa project. Investors should remember this is a exploration program going on to the north of the sovereign metals big heavy minerals project now in development also in Malawi. So Malawi certainly looking to be on course to be a really major player in mineral sands going forward.
There's a lot of positive points coming out of this mineral resource upgrade, and the recent assays have been really strong. So, as you say, more to come. And certainly share price has been doing well in the last few weeks, breaking through that trading range of about sort of 80 to 90 cents, now up to $1.20. So market likes it as well.
Yes, I would, and more yet to come, I'd say.
We've also got an update from cleantech lithium.
Yes, cleantech lithium. They didn't have. It wasn't the good news on their behalf here this time. The Chilean government has turned down their request to be in the streamlined process for the special lithium operating contract, saying that they haven't been eligible, even though they are the one which is consolidated and have done all the work on the Laguna Verde lithium brine project. So therefore, they'll have to go through the longer public consultation period, which they're still eligible for. But given cleantech's issues around its liquidity at the moment, that isn't helpful for shareholders in getting some certainty around whether they'll be allowed to develop Laguna Verde.
Okay, well, we'll keep you posted with updates going forwards. Amaroq have closed their funding as well. I think it's about £45 million.
Yes, that's right. Good size funding for the Greenland explorer and gold mine developer. Amaroq closing on 45 million, and the net proceeds of the fundraising to support the ongoing restart and production expansion of the historic Nalunaq gold mine there in southern Greenland, as well as accelerate or otherwise fund their West Greenland exploration programs here at this point for this coming year. So plenty of money and plenty of opportunity then to find some new discoveries as well over the coming 12-month period. And post-raise, they will have now 454 million shares in issue.
Okay, and lastly, Central Asia Metals has raised its bid again on New World Resources, following further bids from the other parties.
Yes, that's right. It is a apparent bidding war going on now in Central Asia, not giving up here. They have raised their bid for ASX listed New World Resources to get control of this Arizona copper project. It's now Australian 0.062 cents per New World share, which brings the valuation up to Australian 230 million. So uh, again, I wish we could see as potential investors and the geologist in me would like to see what is it that Central Asia Metals sees as far as potential upside in the exploration for this deposit to be worthy of the increased bid. So we'll just have to wait and see.
All right, Paul, we'll call it a day there. Thanks very much.
Very good. See you then.
This podcast has been produced and edited by VSA Capital. It is intended for information purposes and not as investment advice. The information is intended for recipients who understand the risks associated with equity investments in smaller companies. Please do your own research and do not rely on a single source when making an investment decision. VSA Capital may derive fees from this content and seeks to do business with the companies mentioned.